In this tutorial, we'll use Python and Spire.Doc to convert each page of a Word document into PNG or JPG images that are ready to embed, share, or archive. Turning Word pages into images solves common problems. Images display consistently on any platform, embed easily into web pages and dashboards, and converting multiple documents one at a time is exactly the kind of repetitive task that a script can handle in seconds. Spire.Doc handles the conversion entirely in Python without needing Microsoft Word installed. You can convert every page to a separate image, choose between lossless PNG or compact JPG, and the output preserves your document's original fonts, layout, tables, and graphics. Getting started is simple. Install the Spire.Doc package with pip, then import the library so our script can load a Word document and export each page as an image. Here is the complete conversion in a few lines. Create a document object and load your Word file. Then loop through every page, save each one as a bitmap image stream, and write it to a PNG file. Finally, close the document to release the resources. Here is the source Word document before conversion and the resulting PNG images afterward. The script generates one PNG file for each page, preserving the original fonts, layout, and graphics with high fidelity. To save as JPG instead of PNG, open the bitmap stream with PIL and save it in JPEG format. You can also convert only specific pages by selecting their indices, or set a custom DPI to control the output resolution for print or screen use. A couple of tips for best results. Use PNG when the document has a lot of text so the characters stay crisp. Use JPG when the document is photo-heavy to keep file sizes manageable. And always make sure your output directory exists before running the script. That is the complete Word-to-image workflow. Try it with your own documents, then customize the format, page selection, and resolution to fit exactly what your project needs.